Hello, welcome to SK Tech Zone. This recording I will show how to install VMware Horizon 8 connection server. Start the connection server installation. Installer. Click yes. Click next. Accept the license agreement. Next. Default location. Horizon standard server. Enable HTML and IPv4 click next. Enter the data recovery password, re-enter the password, enter password reminder, configure Windows firewall automatically next. Select the domain user or the domain group next. Uncheck the customer experience next. Select the deployment option in general. So this is on-prem Horizon deployment, and choose general. Next, install. Installation complete. Uncheck the documentation. Finish. Let's open Horizon admin console. Advanced to zip. Log in with your admin account. Enter the license. The first login is asked for the license. So I am using trial license. Now the first connection server installation and login. Then the next is configuration and installing additional replica server. We